Molarity. Molarity is a way to measure the concentration of a solution. If you think about a solution, it's made up of a solvent, which is usually water, and you put a solute into your water, and your solute is usually your solid. The molarity will let you know the amount of solute dissolved in your solvent. Small molarities, like 0.1 molar, means that there's not a lot of solute in your solvent. Big molarities, like 6 molar, mean that there is a lot of solute dissolved in your solvent. So what is molarity? Our equation, molarity is represented with the capital M, and it's equal to moles, and this is moles of your solute, the solid usually, over liters. And this is liters of the overall solution. How do we solve for molarity? Let's look at the definition. Molarity equals moles over liters. You take the number of moles of your solute, divide it by the number of liters of your solution, and your unit will be a capital M, which stands for molar. Now, since we don't usually measure things in moles, you need to remember how do you turn grams into moles. You simply divide by the molar mass of that solution, and then you would put the moles up here. Very often, you're given your volume in terms of milliliters, because liters is kind of big. How do we turn milliliters into liters? We divide by 1,000, and then that's the number you would put on the bottom. Let's go ahead and try one. So if you look at your molarity and molality practice sheet, you'll notice in number 1, it says, what is the molarity of a solution where 25 moles of KNO3 is dissolved in 250 milliliters of solution? This is a what is the molarity. This is where we solve for molarity. How do we do it? Molarity equals moles over liters. In this case, we have 0.25 moles, and we don't know liters. We know that we have 250 milliliters. How do I change that to liters? I divide by 1,000, and that's 0.25 liters. So what do you get when you divide 0.25 by 0.25? You get 1, and our unit, capital M for molar. Now another thing we can do with molarity is we can use it to figure out how to make a solution of a certain molarity. If you look at question 3 on your sheet, yes, I know I skipped 2. We'll do it on the next video. If you look at question 3, it says, how many moles of HCl are found in 100 milliliters of a 5 molar solution of HCl? We're going to start with this 5 molar. What does 5 molar mean? It means that you have 5 moles per liter. How many liters? 1. Now we're going to set it up as a proportion. Moles over liters. What do we know? We know 100 milliliters. 100 milliliters divided by 1,000 is 0.1 liters. Once you see a setup like this, you know that we do cross multiply and divide to solve for it. Here's my unknown. So if I take 0.1 times 5 divided by 1, we find out that to make this solution in 100 milliliters, I would need 0.5 moles of HCl.